Hello from Seoul! If I have to pick only one Korean stew to treat you, I'll definitely choose Budae Jjigae, army stew. I guess Claire thinks so too this time because she doesn't say anything. There are so many kinds of recipes for Budae Jjigae on YouTube and most of them say kimchi is essential for Budae Jjigae. I think a lot of people give up trying that recipe because you don't have kimchi at home. But today, I'm gonna share the Budae Jjigae recipe without kimchi in it. I'm sure it's gonna be more delicious than the one with kimchi. Let's get started. Right after the Korean War, there were not many things to eat, so people had to rely on processed foods from the US Army, such as spam, ham, sausage, cheese, or something like that. It's obvious that more people can eat if it was boiled with a soup rather than just grill it, right? After that, it has been a very popular dish to Koreans until today, and even people out of Korea love it too. As Ali said, you will be needing many kinds of processed meat. I'm gonna use spam, sausage, and bacon. If you have anything else, you can use it too. We also need ground beef, baked bean, American sliced cheese, ramen, cabbage, potato, and green onion. Some of you might wanna ask me, Aaron, where are the ingredients for the broth? Yes, I'm not gonna make broth for army stew. Instead, I'm gonna use this product, which is Korean beef bone stock. You can make the broth with various kinds of vegetables and kelp, but you can't get the taste from the restaurant. That is still a homemade style. I know there are some products that are used in restaurants, but you can't get them outside of Korea, so I replace it with this. If you visit Korean groceries or Amazon, you will see some from different brands such as Otuki, Pexer, or Bibigo. You can use whatever you want, just go for the cheapest one. If you still have difficulty getting one of them, you can put some beef stock or chicken stock instead. Let's make the sauce first. Put 3 tablespoons of chili pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a half tablespoon of chicken stock, and a little bit of water, and mix it well. While you are making it, if you have friends or family around you, wrap it and put it in the fridge. If they ask why you're doing it, then answer it with a serious tone like, this way the sauce will get more flavorful. Then you will look super cool. But to be honest, it takes at least 1 or 2 days. Let's prep the vegetables. Chop the cabbage. It doesn't matter how you chop it, so just follow your heart. Slice the potato as thinly as possible because we're not gonna boil it for a long time. This time, green onion. The phrase more green onion, more delicious will work perfectly for this Budae Jjigae, so be generous. Let's cut the spam. If you don't have this small size spam, you can use 200 gram or 7 ounce. For this sausage, I recommend you to cut them into thin and long strips. That way, you can feel like you are at a popular Budae Jjigae restaurant. For bacon, do whatever you want. Now, let's place all the ingredients we prepared in a wide pot like this. If you divide the section for each ingredient, it's gonna be prettier like the restaurant version. Make some space in the center and put the sauce we made. Let's put some ground beef. I'm gonna make it like a small meatball. Add 2 tablespoons of baked beans, and lastly, American cheese. If you have kimchi at home, you can add some, but I prefer the one without kimchi in it. Please try this way first, and if you still think I need kimchi, then you can put it next time. Now, all you need to do is pouring this beef bone stock and boiling it. Again, the reason why I'm using this is to make it similar to the restaurant version, so if it's too hard to get this kind of stock, you can use water and put some more beef stock or chicken stock instead. I think it would be nice if you put a little bit of oyster sauce too. When the Budae Jjigae looks like this, your family or friends might ask you, I think it's done, can we have this now? Then please say no and put ramen noodles in. Then people think you know how to eat this like an expert, right? This is how to show off. When you put ramen noodles in, the noodles might absorb a large amount of broth, but don't worry about it. If you still have the beef bone stock, you can put in more. If you are out of it, you can pour some water. All the processed meat here is seasoned already, so a little bit of water is not gonna be a problem. I think it's done. Let's call our taste tester.
Claire.
우 장난 아니네. 이렇게 또 부대찌개를 해버리면 나 밥 2공기 먹을지도 모르는데. Meatball, sausage. So many ingredients are here. 너무 좋아. 국물 진짜 진하다. 확실히 사골육수 넣고서 하니까 레스토랑이랑 완전 똑같음. 라면은 빨리 먹어야 돼. 안 그러면 국물이 줄어. 라면 불지도 않게 딱 잘했네. 면도 면인데 그래도 밥이랑 같이 먹어야지. 부대찌개엔 밥이지. 오. 이렇게 해서 한 입 가득 먹으면 얼마나 맛있는데. 다른 음식도 마찬가지긴 한데 그래도 이거만큼은 정말 레스토랑 가서 사 먹을 이유가 없어. 정말. 보통 부대찌개라고 팔면 김치찌개에다가 약간 햄 조금 넣는 정도? 이렇게 해서 많이 팔잖아. 그거랑은 깊이가, 국물의 깊이가 엄청나게 차이가 나. I recommend the one without kimchi. This is so good.
Today we made one of the best Korean stew, Budae Jjigae, army stew. From now on, you can make Budae Jjigae without kimchi, and I guess you may prefer this like me. I think it's relatively easy to get the ingredients and it's not that difficult to make it, so please try sometimes and let us know how it was. Alright, this is it for today and I'll see you next time.